So last video I left you guys with, we went through and showed you all the cars that are in the garage, all the stuff that was coming up, some of the projects, ideas, and things that I had. But I wanted to dive specifically into the 30 Model A that I picked up out of the garage that I showed y'all last time. That car has it's pretty complete. I was going over it the other day, looking at any rust or looking at any stuff like that. It's very minimal in that car, so it's kind of neat that it only has, you know, just little spots here and there. It's full steel fenders, has all the glass in it, has most of the interior. I know the interior's been redone, but it's got all that stuff in there, so it's kind of cool to see you know, what someone did back 30 some odd years ago. So let's take a moment and go out and take a look at the car a little closer. Right, so this is right here is kind of the only spot down in here where I've just kind of seen rust. Most of the car is pretty clean as far as not having any rust through or anything. Of course, you know, there's spots here and there, there's little things here and there. I think the old lacquer paint is coming off, all the other good stuff too, but just kind of give you guys a closer look at it. Oh, and it is, I forgot to mention last time, it is a rumble seat car, so that's kind of cool. Back here is the rumble seat. That's the original grill. The guy took it off and I just threw it in there for right now, but it's got the step here to get into the rumble seat, the step down here in the bumper, you know, original wheels and tires. I actually went through and washed it since the last time you guys seen it. As you can tell in the interior here, it's pretty complete. It even has the package tray back here, a bunch of other stuff. I mean, this car is complete. I mean, it's small in here, even though I am sitting in here. It's a small little car, but it's cool. It's just neat to see all the stuff that is still kind of intact with this one. My other Model A that I have doesn't have all this stuff. I mean, it's bare bones. It's got nothing inside. It's got a different dash on it though. It's got a few other things, a little different, you know, new column. There's no floors in it, there's no seat in it, there's no nothing. I mean, that's all straight fabrication to get that car back up and running and on the road. I've got a motor for it as well too, just 350 out of a Camaro and a 350 trans for it. It's got a different rear end in it already, open driveline rear end. It's got drop front axles, but this one here is all original. So I mean, it even got original doors right there, open and close, door pulls, you know, so it's just but other than that, see, today we're gonna, it's sitting here in front of the trailer, it's sitting here in front of my house on the trailer, and can't have it in here. Neighbors are gonna start to complain. I'm surprised. I've already got the nickname the chop shop around this neighborhood because of all the cars I got. So it's time to get this one off the trailer, and I'm gonna take it to one of my flip houses that's got some storage. We're still working on that house. It may be another couple of months before we get the house finished and ready for rent. So we're gonna take that car over there. I know one thing that I've got to do to this car is the original, I don't know if you can see that down there. You see this, the wishbone sitting down, you see the axle. The axle is not technically sitting where it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be under this frame rail right in here. That's where the axle is supposed to be sitting, that leaf spring. So I kind of just jerry-rigged it and hopped it up. As you can see, the trans is just kind of sitting there as well too. With the wishbone sitting down on that trailer like that, I'm not gonna be able to get it out. So I've got to figure a way to get it up there. And I was thinking about doing it here with a couple of jacks and jack stands and stuff like that. But I have a tractor over there at that property, and I have 2 tractors actually. So I've got a tractor and stuff with a front unloader, so I can just pick it up, move the axle underneath the front, and then get it unloaded that way and stick it in the garage. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take this car down that way and unload it over there. So we're just taking you guys along for the ride to see where we're gonna store it. Alright, so we finally made it to the flip house we've been working on. This is where we're going to store the car for a little while till we get this house done. Let me see, check out over here the garages. Oh yeah, this one's open right here. So yeah, this is where she's going to be at for a little bit. We'll probably store her in here. It was a slight flood house. It got a few feet of water on the inside from one of the creeks. So we took out about 4 foot of the sheetrock, all on the inside. And we're going to be redoing bathrooms and bedrooms and everything in here so far. So we're kind of like halfway done. I've got like 3 other projects that we're trying to work on all at the same time and get everything done. So yeah, that's if you guys want to know more about me flipping houses and some of the projects and stuff that we're doing, let me know. There may be some other video and stuff that I can do later on about how we play for these toys, I guess you can say. But as you can tell, you know, this is a master bedroom that I'm in right now. It's the master bath area. There's another bedroom, another bathroom back that way, and bedroom back here, and another bedroom in here. So it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house on 4 acres that we're working on. So next we have to fix that whole situation with the front axle. I told you guys it was off, and that probably be the easiest way for me to do it now is just to grab the tractor. Let me go back there. Grab the tractor and just lift up that front end, put that axle on there, and do it that way. Hope all the bees are gone. So that would be the easiest. That's the only thing now if this tire holds out. But we'll use that thing right now with the front end loader to get this thing off. So get that set up and we'll start doing that now. So I think we got it in there where it's supposed to sit. You can look back down here. It's supposed to sit right in that frame rail, and it's right in there. The only thing I've got is this where that wishbone is hitting the transmission. So I'm gonna try to get that up and get it out of the way. that roll in the garage? No, I mean roll into that side of it.
Oh, the garage, can you steer it?
I don't think so. Yeah, a little bit. Okay. Turn that wheel. It's got a bullet hole in that. Axle's not too stuck on, so.
Oh, don't build.
Well, we've got it. I don't know if you can see me now, but got it in the garage where it's supposed to be. Sitting there. Well, that's the story with the Model A right now. We're just going to kind of leave it in here for the time being. Still kind of deciding on which one to build, which one to sell, which one to continue. That's it. Like I said, if you want to see some more videos of me and houses and stuff, we've probably got about 8-9 rental houses right now and a few flip houses. So if you're interested in learning about how we do some of that stuff, drop me a comment or something and maybe I'll make a video on doing those. But other than that, you know, we just put her in here and keep it going. That's it, everyone. Thank you.